So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to create a best-selling design for merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, whatever print on demand you're looking to design for. You're going to find this video very informative and I'm going to show you how to create it step by step in Illustrator. So make sure you follow with me from the start till the end because you don't want to miss out on this video. By the way, for those of you guys who don't have a Merch by Amazon account, we've got a Merch by Amazon account creation service. So make sure you check out the service down below in the description. You can also download 200 plus niches. You can attend a Merch by Amazon masterclass where I give you a crash course on Merch by Amazon, so you're definitely going to benefit from that. Now then, let's dive right in. So let's say guys, you find this design on Amazon and you're thinking, how the hell do I create this design? Well, I'm going to show you everything from start to finish, so make sure you follow with me guys. So we need a rainbow, as you can see, and we need some text. We need also another font, and we need these hearts and the leopard skin. Pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you guys. So the first thing we need to do is download the leopard skin. I can download it either from Vexels or Freepik. There's plenty of websites where you can download this from. For this, I'm going to choose to download this one right here from Vexels. By the way guys, if you don't have a Vexels subscription, I've got you 35% discount. You'll find it down below in the description. And for the rainbow, I literally went to Freepik, and as you can see, there's plenty of rainbow designs that you can download. Choose the one that you like. I've downloaded one that I'm going to show you in a bit. This is the one I've downloaded. It's a pattern, so you got to get in and get the design from the pattern. Pretty simple. A lot of people have told me, Adnan, I don't know how to do it. Literally, you just go to Object, you go to Pattern, and edit pattern, and you're inside the pattern. Now you can grab it. Pretty easy. Literally click on it, copy and paste. And what I've also done is I took a screenshot of this design just so I can show you guys, what the elements are and how we're going to translate this design into our own version. Now this is the design that I came up with. Pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it from start to finish guys. And this is how the design started. This is the one that I got from this pattern right here. So now I'm going to remove it guys from here, and I'm going to put the design that I'm going to start with. I'm going to remove the bits that I don't want. For example, this one right here, and I don't want this bit, this as well. We can work with the hearts. I'm just going to change the color for the hearts. I'll make it white. Now I want to make this bigger so I can create a gap in between these two arcs. So tweak it until you're satisfied. I'm pretty happy with this for now. Now I'm going to get the hearts, make them bigger. That's simple. You have to get into the layer to change the color. I'm going to get into this heart, make it wider a little bit. Just go with something that looks visually appealing. Now we have to put a mask on this to make it a leopard skin. I've got my leopard skin texture. I'm going to create a rectangle for the color. Basically, I need to get the color of the background of the leopard skin, copy it, and then paste it. Now duplicate this layer, as you can see, and then get the pattern. That's simple guys. Because it is the pattern, when you use the eyedropper tool, it just copies the pattern right into it. Now I want to group both these layers. As you make it bigger, the pattern gets bigger as well. So you can choose how big you want the pattern to be. It's easier to start with a smaller pattern because you can make it bigger. But when you start with a bigger pattern, it's harder to make it smaller. Does that make sense? That's the way I do it. I'm going to leave this because I'm going to need it in a bit. I'm going to ungroup all this stuff. You'll see why. So now I'm going to put this leopard skin inside of here. I have to put this layer underneath the arc, right? And then select the arc with my pattern and then simply do Command 7 for Mac or Control 7 for PC, like magic. We can make the pattern smaller if you want, like so. Now next one, again we're going to need to put the pattern behind the arc. It's selected now, Shift and select the arc, Control 7 for PC or Command 7 for Mac. That easy guys. Now next step is to get my font and put it right here. It says 100 days, adjust it nicely. Maybe there's too much space between 100 and days, and then adjust it nicely underneath 100 days. I like the way it looks. The next thing we need to do is we need to put a little space, a little cutout between this T and A so that it looks like it's engraved in it. And the same thing for S. I mean, you'll see in many designs on Merch by Amazon, and especially designs that have been created nicely. The way I do it is different from what a lot of people do is they just cut it out. I don't cut out stuff. I just mask everything, because if I make a mistake, I can change it later on. So I literally copy this text right here, and then I go to 100 days, and then I click make mask. So I simply click to select smarter. I click Control C or Command C for Mac. I click on 100 days. I go to transparency. I click on make mask, and then click on the mask right here. Click on clip, and then I do Command Shift and V. What it does is that it pastes smarter on top of smarter. You'll see why in a minute. So the difference between PC and Mac is that Command is for Mac and Control is for PC. It's pretty simple. So now we just need to make the stroke bigger. So we'll do maybe 40. See, how do you correct this bit? You just go to stroke and change it from miter joint to round joint. And I like to click on this one right here. 40 is too big, so maybe 30. And that's how you do it, guys. This is my version and this is the original version. Slightly different. I like the original as well, but this is my own version. I would say if you know what you're doing, you can create this within 10 to 15 minutes. All you got to do is get the animal skin, get the rainbow, get a font or a couple of fonts, and done. If you'd like me to show you how other designs are created, especially the best-selling designs for merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy and stuff like that, drop me a comment down below, or even better, leave me links of designs that you'd like me to recreate with my own style, my own version, and I'll check them out and I'll do them for you. Why not? Again, as a reminder, if you guys don't have a merch by Amazon account, or if you know someone who needs a merch by Amazon account, we've got a merch by Amazon accounts creation service. You'll find the link down below in the description. You can get it within 24 hours. That simple, guys. We also have a merch by Amazon masterclass. You can get 200 plus niches. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description, so make sure you check out those things. You'll definitely benefit, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comments. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.